Hello, my name is Michael Sherry. I'm a product specialist here at Fields Motorcars in beautiful Lakeland, Florida, right off of Interstate 4, exit 33. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your SmartKey functions to where generally when you'd first press the unlock button, it would unlock both doors on your vehicle if it's this E400 coupe. But today we're going to change it to where the first time we press unlock, it will only open the driver door instead of opening both at the same time. So to do that, you'll simply hold unlock and lock for about 6 seconds. And on the top of the key, there's a little LED, it'll flash red. There we go, it just happened. No worries, I'll show you again in a second. So I just locked the vehicle. I'll press unlock. And now you can see it only unlocked the driver door first. If I press unlock one more time, it unlocked the other one. Now to reverse it, you just do the same process. You'll hold lock and unlock for about 6 seconds. You can see that LED at the top. It'll flash red. There it goes. Now the vehicle's locked, and if I press unlock one time, both doors unlock. It's that simple. Once again, this has been Michael Sherry here at Fields Motorcars, beautiful Lakeland, Florida, right off of Interstate 4, exit 33. Our address is 4141 North Florida Avenue, Lakeland, Florida, 33805. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and once again, this has been Michael Sherry. Have a great day.